Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Motorola Moto G06 Power. Okay, before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's make sure that we are logged into the proper Google account. Go into Google, in the settings, and make sure that you are logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. Because if you will be logged into other Google account, there is a huge chance that you won't be able to restore the chats, because the chats are stored in the cloud of our Google account. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, the app welcomes us. Now we need to click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications, and now we need to type our phone number. So you can always click on what's my number and it should be automatically copied, just like that. Click on use and click on next. And now we'll need to verify it. Click on yes. We have two ways how we can do it. We can use the missed call function or the code from the SMS message. Currently the missed call function is set. So let's click on continue. If you want, you can click on verify another way. Now click on allow. Now they will call us. Okay, automatically verifying. That's good to see. Okay. If you want, you can create a passkey to sign into your WhatsApp. It's up to you. I don't want it, so I don't click that. Now, contacts and media. Click on continue. Click on allow, allow, and allow all. Okay, select restore from backup and click on continue. And you can see we are restoring the chats from the same Google account that I'm currently logged into. So everything is just like it should be. Now we need to wait until the process is finished. In my case, I don't have many messages, so it won't take long. Alright, now click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and photos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.